Look at that right there. 1989 Great American Puzzle Factory. A cat with two puzzles and a little bitty hamster. Calico Cats and Friend. Jigsaw puzzle over 550 pieces, size 18 by 24. 18 inches tall, 24 inches wide. Mimi Vang Olsen. There she is, Mimi Vang Olsen. Copyright 1989, Mimi Vang Olsen. She made those cats. I paid $3.99 for it at a Salvation Army. I scanned the barcode on it, but nothing came up. This puzzle is a painting of Mimi's own calico cats named Picasso and Putz, and their playmate Victor the guinea pig. Mimi paints commissioned pet portraits in her gallery at 545 Hudson Street, New York, New York. Phone 212-675-5410. I don't know if she still does this. That was 31 years ago. She might be dead. I certainly think that Picasso, Putz, and Victor are dead. I don't know. Maybe they're immortal. Maybe calico cats don't die. Maybe calico guinea pigs. Maybe they're immortal. You tell me. Remember, like and subscribe.